Let's notice a few things about the characteristics of the Earth. There are some that would argue that the Earth is really nothing special. It's just an insignificant little dot hanging out there in space. But I think we can see that the Earth has a variety of features that are pretty remarkable. For one, the Earth is in the habitable zone with regard to its distance from the sun. If it was a little closer to the sun, it would be too hot. If it was a little farther away from the sun, it would be too cold. It's sometimes called a Goldilocks planet, like in the fairy tale of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. One bowl of porridge was just right. Wasn't too hot, wasn't too cold. The Earth also has liquid water, very important. The Earth has a breathable atmosphere. I'm a fan of a particular science fiction show that probably many of you could guess, and it seems like often they come upon planets where human beings can breathe just fine. But in fact, of course, that's not the case. As we look around at the planets that we can observe, many of them would be not very friendly planets to us with regard to their atmosphere. The Earth is also a rocky planet. It's not a gas giant like Jupiter, where there would be nothing for us to stand on. But in fact, it has a surface that we can walk on, build things on, and that sort of thing. The Earth revolves. Imagine if the Earth didn't revolve. Then one side would face the sun, that would be very hot, and the other side would be dark and frozen. I suppose there might be like a little ring, a little small ring around the planet where humans could survive, but it wouldn't be nearly as good as the Earth as it is now. The Earth has a good mass. Imagine if the mass of the Earth was too small, then it wouldn't be able to hold on to the atmosphere that we need so much. And a variety of other types of things, the presence of the moon, plate tectonics, things along those lines. And so it seems like the Earth is in fact very special indeed, almost as if it was designed that way.